Let's play Superchargers. Hi guys, so today we gonna unbox the Skylanders Superchargers, and it's come with the game and the photo, and let me tell you the characters. Superchargers F and Donkey Kong. Let's go! This is the purple, and these are the Skylanders, and this is the vehicle, and this is the game. And this is what the game looks like. This is the vehicle. This is the other side. This is the portal. So you can use the tracks from the other game. So you can use the traps and put them right here, and then you get to play with the bad guys that was in trap team. And these are the cards. So we have this card, and we have this card, and these are the instructions. There are the instructions. Finally, we can see the poster. My poster, I'm gonna put it in my room. And this is the poster. And that's it for today. Please subscribe and like my videos. Let's play Superchargers. Hello! Okay.